today we set out the extension. So there is the actual flooring right there. That's the top of the floor. So we're going to set our profiles to this line. We're just going to take off the same over there just to make sure that that line and that line are the same. Alright, we've got the laser level, and now we're getting the post hole borer. Look at the size of this thing! And the other laser level's at the shop now, so hopefully, it's sweet. So what we're doing here is using the profiles that we've set up to establish the future lines of the extension. So eventually these lines will be the new walls. So we've gone parallel off the house with this line, and now we need to go square to this line. Yeah. Square. We've continued the line of the wall down here, and that follows to our future corner, which is right here. We've marked on our profiles both the exact nail that we want to hook on every time we need to reference our lines, and which side of the nail the line is on. Check this for square. This is parallel to the house, and the same over here. So the profiles are the first thing you do for a foundation, and they're also the last thing to be taken down. And as you're doing the foundation, you can reference the future floor layout at any point. That's the idea of the profiles. From this morning, this was the plan. This bare line is slightly in from that edge, and the same down here. But 2 hours ago, our architect sent us this, and now he's matched the bare line with the existing house bare line, and it's now on the outside. So we've recreated that here. Gillies has put his drone away, so we want to get an aerial shot of this, but Pato has another idea.
I'll be the drone and hold it like this.
So this is just like the plan.